Between election day and crypto's fourth largest exchange almost pulling a Terra Luna, today is one of the most volatile days we've seen in the crypto space in a very long time. Watch to the end of the video to stay updated. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the major announcement that just broke a couple of hours ago concerning FTX and Binance. Before we get into that, though, I want to talk to you about our scalping trades. We won one last night in a span of 13 minutes, and we have a new one going right now. So let's take a look. Right now, I'm looking at the Trade Confident scalping trades sheet right here. As you can see right here, Sol won last night for a 4% profit, and this morning we have an additional trade right now that is pending. Now, if you want to get access to these trades, our members have made over 381% against the S&P 500. You can see right here, this is how much profit we're making per buy limit if you're using 1, 2, or 3 buy limits right here. We have a total of 18 total trades won. If you're wanting to get access to these, if you don't want to miss out on these trades anymore, be sure to join our membership at the link in the description. With that, let's continue on in the video. Here is the news, guys. This comes from CZ, the CEO of Binance. This afternoon, FTX asked for our help. There is a significant liquidity crunch. To protect users, we signed a non-binding LOI intending to fully acquire FTX.com and help cover the liquidity crunch. We will be conducting a full DD in the coming days. This tweet is from Sam Bankman-Fried, the CEO of FTX themselves. Hey all, I have a few announcements to make. Things have come full circle, and FTX.com's first and last investors are the same. We have come to an agreement on a strategic transaction with Binance for FTX.com, pending DD, etc. For those that don't know, DD in this case means due diligence. It means they're looking at legal stuff. They're making sure everything's all in order before they make the deal. For those that are using FTX, our teams are working on clearing out the withdrawal backlog as is. This will clear out liquidity crunches. All assets will be covered one-to-one. This is one of the main reasons we've asked Binance to come in. It may take a bit to settle, etc. We apologize for that. But the most important thing is that customers are protected. I have to say, guys, this was a near miss. If FTX didn't have Binance come in and bail them out, we could have seen them go the way of Celsius, Luna, and all the other exchanges that just ran out of liquidity and left their users to hang and dry. Now, the main analysis is going to be on Solana, but I think it's very important to take a look at this, guys. So when I started making this video, right before I pressed record, Bitcoin was actually at about $20,000. And it's been fluctuating back and forth, but there's, like I said, there's some insane volatility. Right now, Bitcoin has crashed, absolutely insanely crashed to $18,500 support. This is blasted way past what we were expecting, and I think between the elections and probably mainly the exchange going down, I think that Bitcoin is reacting very strongly. Now, I don't think FTX is going to be screwing over everybody as bad as Luna is, but this is not great for the market in general. It really doesn't help gain trust in crypto itself, but I think Binance pulling the move that they are, acquiring FTX and bailing out the customers, I think is really good sign in general to show that some exchanges can actually be trusted. With that, let's take a look at some macro metrics. I think this is really important. Mainly, I'm going to be taking a look at the long versus short trades. You can see right here, both long and short trades have jumped in recent times. If we scroll down to Ethereum, this becomes a lot more obvious with a much sharper move up as Ethereum long trades dipped and moved back up again. I think this is very, very recent. I think people are going to be acquiring really hard as Bitcoin has dropped to almost $18,500. And again, these short trades are not looking good for the market. Starting the general analysis now, this is Sol USD, the TC top and bottom finder. I already mentioned the scalping trades, guys, but these metrics and many more are included with the membership as well. So if you want to get access to these charts, scalping trades, and many more benefits, be sure to join the membership at the link in the description. Now, this chart was last updated this morning, November 8th, and at this point I would argue that this chart is incredibly outdated based on the massive spike that we saw in the market, but we will be looking at the live chart, so don't worry, guys. I did still want to take a look at this and show you where we're at. This is a huge spike in Solana. This price dropped like crazy, and you'll see even in the live analysis that we actually saw a big move up and back down within the same candle. We've dropped below the blue midline here, and the green support structure has dropped. It'll be more difficult to reach that that, but based on what we're seeing in the market, I wouldn't be surprised if we did hit that within the next couple of days. And right here, we're getting a bar to the downside, which means we could see a buy signal soon. Right now, I'm looking at Solana USD on the 4-hour time frame here, and this is the spike I was talking about. We saw a huge move up. We actually saw a lot of the market do this. Looking back at Bitcoin here, huge move to the upside. This is where I was talking about as I was about to start recording, $20,000. Now 18,800, absolutely insane volatility in the market today. But we're looking at Solana today. Crazy volatility. Earlier when prepping the video, I had put a structure support at $25.85. But it looks like we're actually going to be using $22 as our main structure support because we have blown past this in the last candle. Now, what's crazy about this is this structure support goes as far back as pretty much the entire history of Solana on Coinbase here. It dropped right here in July of 2021 and moved up like crazy. But we all know what happened after that, guys. We got a crazy bear market, and it looks like we could be reaching that bottom again very, very soon. For now, I think $28 is going to be our structural resistance if we do end up moving up again. As soon as I'm sure whales are going to be buying this at some point. Right now, we're just seeing a ton of panic selling in the market, but I guarantee you whales are probably going to be buying very, very soon as the FUD keeps going on, as people panic sell and create a ton of liquidity. I think $22.25 is probably going to be the level around the area that whales begin to buy. Trend exhaustion's low, price versus while money flows in the middle and has plenty of room to move down, which is also a little scary here. Again, I think $22.25 is going to be about the level that whales begin to start moving. If that is the case, we'll need to break past $25.85 as a new structural resistance, and then 28 will be the new target after that. I will say this though, right now is an insanely volatile time, and it's going to be very difficult to create any real predictions at this point. We don't know where the market is going because this is a brand new situation. Between the midterms and what's happening with FTX, we even saw Coinbase actually go down due to network issues today. So the crypto market is going insane right now. It's hard to say where the market's going to go because I don't think there's much rhyme or reason to anybody. It is a ton of emotional trading. But the best we can do at this point is use the trade confident indicators to pay attention to support and resistance structures in the market and hope for the best. Our goal is to continue holding through this, maybe accumulate as we hit more towards the bottom. With that, if you want to get access to the trade confident indicators you saw me use in this video, you can find the link in the description below, and it'll bring you to this page right here. In order to get the best possible deal, what you're going to want to do is purchase the bundle pack first. This will include the price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion indicators you saw me use in this video, as well as 7 other indicators here. On top of this, the bundle pack will include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder, which means you can get all 11 trade confident indicators for just the price of these 2 using the discount code you find in the bundle pack. No matter what you purchase, you get lifetime access for a one-time payment and full dedicated support. So if you ever have any questions, feel free to email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Don't take us from us, guys. This person made $950 in one day, $4,300 in just a week, $500, $5,200, and $4,300 in their first 3 trades. These indicators are incredible and will be our guide through this insanely volatile market. With that, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. This is extremely important time to be updated in crypto. So again, subscribing will be hugely important. With that, remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.